No,
tell him what the deal is. Tell him.
No.
Tell him. Yes, tell him.
Nope.
We're over here looking for a Christmas tree because Butthead down on the road was like, oh, we're gonna go look over here. And I'm like, dude, that's my spot. Needless to say, we are looking somewhere else for a Christmas tree. Okay, so this is how it goes. We trounce around and we follow Mom around until she finds what she wants. And then she says, what about this one? And then we debate over it for about 10 minutes. And then she's like, well, what about this one? Then we debate about that one for another 10 minutes. And then eventually we settle on one, right?
They're always pretty every year.
If it was up to me, guys, we would just get the old Charlie Brown tree. Any old tree. Actually, it's true, I would go to Lowe's. $15 for a Christmas tree permit. So here you can see the markings of TC plus MA with the heart. So I don't know, I guess that means they love each other or something. Wow, look at that tree. So look at that tree right there. It's got that S curve to it, that's cool. So basically what we got going on now is they're up there searching for a tree, she is, and I just wait until she says this is the one. And then I go and get the chainsaw. Pine bark beetle, pine bark beetle.
Pine bark beetle, pine bark beetle! No.
Scared, look at it,
Pine bark beetle!
Hey, any progress? Don't know, we had the perfect spot. We go there every year, and some butthead was there, blocking my spot, so I couldn't go in there. And I'm like, what the heck are you guys doing up here? Get the heck out of here. But no, we can't go there. So here's an interesting specimen, this tree. I'm not sure exactly what's going on here, but you can see all this sap that's come out of this tree. Doesn't look dead. This one's dead. That would be a good tree to cut down for firewood. That is a fantastic tree, but it's a little bit far away from the old truck, so it'd be hard to get the firewood down. So I'm waiting to get word from the gal up there if she found us a Christmas tree. She kind of bounced on out of here without us, and we hung back, so I decided to go sit in the truck, which is probably the best place you want to be if you're in the party of going and getting a Christmas tree. So it doesn't really matter if I'm up there anyways, because she wants the tree that she wants. I see a pretty dang good ones all over the place, but we do what she says for good reason, you know what I mean?
You're working really hard. A good job.
What's the story? Did you find one?
Yeah.
What's the deal?
It's not in.
Do we drive or we
Drive.
we walk?
Drive. We're gonna have to investigate whether it follows the rules.
Oh, she follows the rules. We follow all the rules.
Yeah.
We don't ever break rules in this
I
family.
think it's pretty close to following the rules. So.
She says it's kind of close, but I wouldn't do anything that's breaking the rules.
Okay, let's bust up.
What do you mean by bust
This
up?
definitely isn't like last year.
How'd you know I was in the truck?
I knew. You were in the truck. I knew without a doubt where you were. It was just finding the truck. Stop. Yeah, stop.
So she says she found us one. Okay, so this is the place apparently. Wow, look at that! That's a beaut.
What we settled
So
on.
apparently we're getting this one right here. What about that dead spot?
It goes to the wall where the plug is.
Apparently the wall.
Yeah.
I don't know. I need your verification. I need to know if this is this year's tree or not, ma'am. Okay, so chainsaw?
What do you think? You don't really care.
Heck yeah.
All right, let's go.
Okay, chainsaw it is. Let's go get it.
Were you getting worried about us?
Yeah. I was so worried.
You're right.
Damn, I asked him if he thought you were okay. It was
Okay, so here we go. Let's cut that sucker down. Okay, so there it is. We've got a tree right here for 2019. Merry Christmas, you know? Yep. Now this here's a tree. Okay, let's throw her in and get the heck out of here. What do you say? 1, 2, 3.
About having a small tree and a small house.
There it is. So that about concludes this tree episode, or this Christmas tree session. Last year we went and got a tree and there was already one that was cut down, and I was kind of not wanting to do that because right there, it's not a clean cut. They're losers. So they cut them down, we harvest them.
That's a total jerk off.
That's not jerk off.
Yes, you're not putting that on YouTube.
YouTubes.
The YouTubes. You're not putting that on YouTube. Just pretend like you're cutting it. Just pretend.
Seriously.
And you're gonna be like, we found our tree.
We didn't cut it. Like, you have to. So that about concludes this episode of Tree 2019 Gate.
Last year's tree was awesome.
Last year's tree was awesome, but we didn't have to do any work to get it. We just picked it up. And some poor sap, he's like, oh, where's my tree? And little did they know we stole it. So
It was buried in the snow.
she said it was buried in the snow, but I don't believe her.
It was. It was buried in the snow.
Yeah, right. We didn't even have to haul this baby out of there. It was right next to the road. Good old Sister Ward, she came through for us again. She always pulls through, and I always sit in the truck, and I always watch. So I want to thank you, Sister Ward, and thank the kids for coming and not complaining, because sometimes, you know, they can be a little bit of a pill job. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.